Hi guys, today we will talk about how to turn on Facebook account on your eBay app. We will go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your account. So all you have to do, you just to turn on this mark, just go up, you click here on app, then it's going to show for you window like this here, and you just go down here. So you come here to settings, you click here on settings, and it's going to take you to next window here. Then you just come here to sign in and security. Then it's going to take you here in this window. You come here to Facebook account, you click here on this mark, and you just show for you like this, and you click here on link your accounts, and it's going to add with you or turn on with you on your on your eBay app. So that's all. You click here on continue, and it's going to add with you. So that's all. Like you see now, you click here on continue, it's going to add video like this. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.